Hi, Braveheart. Welcome to a quick stretch and snack. My last video just got cut off a little bit, but that's probably all right. I was almost done. But let's add just a little bit of arm stretching. Might be a different day for you than it is for me, probably. The days are all wonky, aren't they? Bringing the right arm across the body. Just jumping right into some arm stretches real quick here. Let's wiggle that shoulder around. I'm trying to relax the arm as much as possible by holding it up with the opposite arm and pulling it across the body, and then more actively sort of rolling that shoulder around, just feeling into where there's tension, where there's release, wiggling it around all kinds of different ways. I tend to carry a lot of tension in my arms, so I find if I do this regularly, it helps keep it at bay. Doing a little counter stretch there, swinging that arm back. And then let's do the other side, bringing right arm across the body, hanging on with the left arm and pulling it across the body, and then sort of circling and wiggling that shoulder around, just feeling into where it feels good, where there's tension that needs releasing, where there's suppleness that needs appreciating. All of that is perfect. Just stretching that arm around, exploring it, letting my body know I care. Let's swing that arm back for a little counter stretch. Let's do some checking in with the little bones of the hands. I'm gonna scooch back just a little bit. I'm doing my squats here on top of that, not squats up and down, but just a squat position that you can't see, which will limit the time I can stay here, I'll tell you that. Just doing some hand circles. There's not one way, not one right way, not one wrong way. There are many, many right ways, and probably many, many wrong ways. Only you can know what's good for you. Let's do some shoulder rolls. Breathing in on the way up and then exhaling on the way down. And then let's go the other way. Just wiggle those up and down, back and forth, around, just shaking them out. Shake out the stresses. I like to keep it nice and short sometimes, just to remind everybody it doesn't have to take a long time to let go of some stress, let go of the past like it was yesterday, make room for new stresses that are on the way. Give yourself a little more love because you're worth it. I hope you'll stay curious, courageous, fit and free. If you like this channel, you want to see more of my silliness, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Even if you don't, it helps me out a lot. Thank you if you do. And until next time, I'll be seeing you. Peace.